CNC machining is one of the most precise and trusted manufacturing technologies in the world. Design possibilities are limited, but CNC has been the time-tested standard for decades. The advent of 3D printing heralded a new era of digital manufacturing that was fast and flexible with unprecedented design freedom. But to date, the quality and cost of 3D printed parts have fallen short of competing with traditional manufacturing, until now. What happens when the most trusted form of manufacturing, CNC, meets the design freedom, flexibility, and speed of 3D printing? 3DO's patented metal 3D printing technology combines the best of both worlds to unlock the full potential of metal 3D printing and allow product innovators to launch better products faster. 3DO's process uses CNC machining on a layer-by-layer basis to form green parts. The build area is 81 square inches, covered by 8 spindles, operating at 60,000 RPM with micron-level positional accuracy. There are 3 steps to the printing process. The first step of the process is to spread metal powder across the build area. At less than 10 microns nominal, 3DO spreads the finest particle size metal powder. Depending on part geometry or print speed required, the printer can automatically vary layer thickness anywhere from 50 microns to 500 microns. The second step is to bind the entire layer of powder with a proprietary spray system. This spray technology creates uniformity and precise control over depth of penetration, which is impossible with inkjet-based binder jetting. The third step is to cut the new layer with up to 8 micro-end mills. On a layer-by-layer basis, these cutters define the perimeter of the part and any internal features. These 3 steps, spread, spray, cut, are repeated as many times as necessary to build the entire part. 3DO's technology creates new possibilities in 3D printing, such as the ability to define many layers at the same time or to cut upward-facing geometries in 3 dimensions, eliminating layer lines. When the print is complete, the build is automatically removed from the printer, and the next job in queue starts immediately. At last, 3DO is unlocking the potential of metal 3D printing and allowing product innovators to launch better products faster.